Random Acts of Kindness Bring Joy During Coronavirus Outbreak by Julia Hediger. With schools and businesses closed and many cities and towns under mandatory shelter-in-place orders, the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, has drastically changed lives globally within a matter of weeks. To bring joy, optimism, and strength during this difficult period, people and organizations worldwide are performing random acts of kindness for total strangers. Here are a few heartwarming deeds that will bring a smile to your face during these unprecedented times. Paying it forward. The ban on in-person dining imposed across many states to slow down the spread of COVID-19 is hitting the U.S. restaurant industry hard, leaving many on the brink of shutting down. Now some loyal customers are stepping up to help their favorite eateries. On March 18, 2020, a regular patron at Irma's Southwest, a Tex-Mex restaurant in Houston, Texas, stunned workers by leaving a $9,400 tip with a note saying, "Hold tip to pay your guys over the next few weeks." Owner Luis Galvin told Fox News it was a regular of the restaurant for about 15 years. He came in and had a modest dinner of shrimp tacos and then left a $9,400 gratuity. Coach's Bar and Grill in Columbus, Ohio experienced similar generosity from a patron who added a hefty $2,500 tip to his modest $29.75 tab to be split among the restaurant workers. Chefs and restaurant owners across the country are also finding creative ways to help their staff, while also contributing to the communities. San Francisco, California's popular Che Fico is putting together ready-to-go meals with a retail value of $50 that can be bought or picked up for free by those in need. Anyone purchasing a meal is encouraged to donate $50 toward a free meal for a family in need. Many restaurants in Seattle, Washington, and Portland, Oregon are giving away free food to anyone in need via donations, while others are adding rolls of toilet paper, which are in short supply, to delivery orders. World's Central Kitchen, a nonprofit spearheaded by Spanish-American chef Jose Andres to provide meals during natural disasters, is working with partners to safely distribute individually packaged fresh meals to communities in need in Los Angeles and Oakland, California, Washington, D.C., and Little Rock, Arkansas. Caremongering. If the word caremongering sounds unfamiliar, it is because the term did not exist prior to the coronavirus outbreak. Created to calm COVID-19 fears and to allow people to help those who are struggling, the online effort is the brainchild of Canadian residents Mita Hans and Valentina Harper. Speaking to the BBC, Harper said, "Scaremongering is a big problem. We wanted to switch that around and get people to connect on a positive level. To connect, it's caremongering spread that around and get people to connect on a positive level to connect. It's caremongering spread the opposite of panic, and people brought out community and camaraderie and allowed us to tackle the needs of those who are at risk all the time, now more than ever." Though the organizers had known that their social media altruism effort would resonate with people, even they are surprised at its rapid surge in popularity. There are now numerous caremongering groups established among Canadian communities, all helping each other during these anxious times. Over the past few weeks, caremongers across the country have helped deliver hundreds of meals to those in need and made numerous supermarket visits for those who are unable too weak to go themselves. Caremongering is not just within the realm of adults. When the coronavirus social distancing order forced 4-year-old Detroit resident Aiden to cancel his birthday party, his best friends, who live a few houses away, came up with a brilliant idea to lift his spirits. They set up a sign outside his home, urging drivers to honk for the birthday boy as they drove past. Meanwhile, in London, UK, 7-year-old Jimmy Dean Hudson used his pocket money to buy 70 rolls of toilet paper to distribute to those in need in his community. His mother said that the young boy came up with the idea after seeing his elderly neighbors panicking because there was none available at the local stores. Italy, where the coronavirus outbreak and deaths has surpassed those in China, has been under a mandatory total lockdown since March 9, 2020. To keep their spirits up during this difficult period, residents across the country have been participating in neighborhood sing-alongs from the safety of their balconies. Television production crews donate masks, gloves, and other necessities to hospitals. Health workers in need of hard-to-find medical supplies, such as masks and gloves, are getting assistance from an unlikely source: network television. Production crews of medical dramas include The Good Doctor, The Resident, and Grey's Anatomy, which all use real medical supplies on set, are donating their entire stock to hospitals, fire stations, and other organizations combating coronavirus outbreaks through North America. Artists help students banish coronavirus blues. With worldwide school closure, millions of students are trying to find fun and educational activities to pass the days. American children's book author and illustrator Mo Williams is helping ease COVID-19 boredom with a free drawing tutorial. A new lunch doodles appears every weekday at 1 p.m. at the Kennedy Center website. Meanwhile, Broadway star Laura Benades is asking aspiring actors and singers whose school performance had to be canceled due to COVID-19 to put on shows at home and share the videos on Twitter with the hashtag Sunshine Songs for everyone to view. Dark times for all, trying to find some bright spots. If you were meant to perform in your high school musical and it was canceled, please post yourself singing and tag me. I want to be your audience, she tweeted. While COVID-19 presents the world with uncertainty, people in groups like these remind us of all the positive ways we can impact our communities during these times of need. Stay strong and healthy. We are all in this together.